Welcome back to my channel. Today my video is another review. Arteza sent me some new materials to review, and this time I have these cute and little sketchbooks, but also the watercolor pencils to experiment. I love watercolors, but I still think they are so difficult to use. But it's also a good experiment. As other note, I have a giveaway on these babies on YouTube, but also Instagram, so keep watching to know more about it. This set of 3 sketchbooks are really cute and I love the size. You can also use other mediums with it, and I might try to use my real brush pens in the future with them too. These sketchbooks is just for water medium, so if you use the normal pencils, I'm pretty sure it will not be anything good, or at least better. This is really for the watercolors. You have 4 different options. What I liked the most, it was the thick cover, also the little red ribbon makes it look so adorable. Then you also have the elastic around it, but you also have a little pocket on the end, so if you want to put any other thing in there. Now for the giveaway, I will be giving 2 of these sketchbooks away. Like I said, one will be on YouTube and one on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, what are you waiting for? To participate on the YouTube, you only need to give a thumbs up on this video and comment below. The more times you comment, the more chances you have to win. As for the Instagram giveaway, the rules are different, so you really have to follow me there to know how. You can check the link on the description box below. Back to the video. This set of watercolor pencils also comes on one of the many pretty boxes from Arteza, but this time I noticed something different. As I opened the box, I saw that the colors were displayed inside of the box too. It's always nice when you have the colors inside of the box because you have it open, so it's much easier for you to see which color do you want. Look at these beautiful colors. Having the colors displayed like this when you open the box are really nice, but I always prefer to change them. You think it's just easier to have the color family together. In the beginning of the video you can see I changed them. How about you? Do you prefer your pencils lined on the box by color or just like this? Whatever. Here you can see the pencils. They also have the name of them on the other side. So you have the name Arteza, and then on the other side you have the name of the actual color of the pencil. Since this video is about Arteza, do you know about this contest going at the moment? This contest name is Arteza Awards and goes as it follows. Arteza Awards is the first grand competition for artists and creators of all levels. So you will have until the 24th of August to share your art and also get a chance to win prizes up to 5,000 in total. You don't really have a rule to draw something, you just do something that you like, and the nominations and prizes are the Golden Artist of the Year. You have also the Silver Artist of the Year and the Bronze. Also, there will be some additional nominations of the Painting of the Year, the Drawing of the Year, and also the Do-It-Yourself Artwork of the Year. So it's pretty much a lot of things that you can win. So what are you waiting for? You can find all the links on the description box below. I'm not sure if I will join or not, but I would love to do something for Arteza since they're always so kind to me to send their materials to review. The thing is, you have to use the Arteza products to join the contest. Back to the video again. I will be using a water brush but also a normal brush to see what I prefer to use with the watercolors. I think it really depends on my mood, I guess. While I was sketching and erasing, I noticed this kind of paper. It's a bit more fragile than others I used, especially one from Arteza when I got my real brush pens. So as soon as I started to ink, I thought maybe it was not a good idea. And I was right. Still, I continued, but I hated the result. Anyway, I will have better examples for you after, so keep watching. If you are new to my channel and you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also click the bell to receive the notifications. The idea I got as soon as I received the sketchbook was doing a sunset with an angel floating, so I used the pencil for that. I tried to use both pages and then I used the water brush. As soon as I did it, the colors popped up so much. You can see you don't need much color on the paper first because the water will make it come out very nicely and strong in the end. Especially with this kind of colors because the orange and the yellow are the difficult colors in my opinion. For the angel, I use my brush to make the details since I always have more control with it. So simple and nice, don't you think? For my third and more serious try, my warm-up for this was done, so I had to do something a bit better. I thought of using the actual watercolors as my sketch lines or guidelines. Probably this would make them disappear when I applied water. That's what I thought about. So I didn't use any ink. This made the drawing come out more creamy and soft, and I think that's also so cute in my opinion. It changed the drawing and also the feeling of it so much. Reviewing the pencils, I think they are really nice and seem just like any other pencil, like a normal colored pencil. They are super comfortable and easy to use. It's just up to you how you use them. You can use the pencils first and then wet the paper, or you can dip the tip of the pencil on the water to make the colors even stronger right away, or for detailing, or you can wet the paper first and then use them. There is so many ways if you want to try them. This material is such a nice experiment, and the good thing about art is there is no right or wrong. You just do as you like and you prefer. It's also nice to be free like this. I tried to color slowly and give in details here and there, but in my case I wanted just to use my brush because, like I said before, I can control more the amount of water I have on the brush, and then I can also control the coloring I'm doing on the paper. I can also push the colors to where I want them to be. So that's why I think I prefer the brush instead of the water brush. I kind of forget to make the water comes out on the water brush, so I think that's my biggest problem. Now that I'm doing this voiceover, this girl reminds me a lot of Misty from Pokemon when she dressed as a mermaid. Reminds me that I loved that episode when I was a child. So any Pokemon fans here? Besides me. Reminding you again of my giveaway, give a thumbs up and also comment my video. I will have the second giveaway on my Instagram too, so just follow my Instagram and watch my stories to have more chances to win. I will choose the winners from both platforms on the 24th of August. That will also be the last day for Arteza Awards. So find those links on the description box below. Also, if you want to buy any materials listed on this video, you can also find them there. If you are new to my channel and you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also click the bell to receive the notifications. If you want to see more videos of me reviewing other kinds of materials or just from Arteza, you can check the playlist I have on my description box below, or you can use the link on the top of this video and watch them. So this will be the end result. What do you think? Which illustration did you think it was better? For me, I love this last one. I think it got really cute, and it's not with... Since I didn't use the ink on this one, I think it got pretty soft and dreamy, so I think that's what I like the most, and also the pastel colors look so nice. I hope to see you on my next video. That is going to be next Sunday. Bye bye!